Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to fix Messenger app not opening. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So the first thing that you need to do is to basically just go into your settings here and then apps and notifications here, and then just see all apps and search for Messenger here. Okay, and the first thing that you need to have to do is just basically go into this storage and cache and clear the cache and clear the storage of your messenger application. So if you clear the storage, you may have to log in back again, but it will fix the problem. Okay, and let's suppose that if it doesn't fix the problem here, so the next method is very easy. Just come over here and uninstall your messenger application, and then open up the play store and download and install the messenger application again, and then it should fix the problem. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.